When I click any UI element in Figma, to see these colors with only hex codes does not help me, does not help your developers or other designers. Let's fix that with variables. This is lesson number 2. Make sure to watch the first lesson, which we cover spacing. First and foremost, I want to scale my colors, and I want you to copy the main color that you have and go to this website, oklch.fyi, and press create. In this case, I'm going to select my color and paste my hex code here, and I will select display P3. You can basically take all the hex codes of these things, but I have already done it in a different section, so I will now cut these and bring it to my page. So I just want to tokenize these things. I want to put them in variables so that I can use them over and over again. And I'm going to use a plugin called Color Variables Creator. But before, I want to rename these things. So they are circle 1, circle 2, that they doesn't mean anything for me. I'm going to press Command R and call it color slash orange slash the number. But in this case, I'll delete a 0 and add 2 zeros. So the naming structure will be 100, 200, and so on. Let's rename them and check if they are right. Yes, this is 900, this is 100. So instead of me doing manually one by one, I have these names ready. So I'll select my plugin, click under foundation, I'll put in mode 1, create. Boom, they are here. So as you can see, I now have a section called color under foundation, and now let's put them these things under spacing as well. New group, spacing, done. So I have 2 sections in my foundations, spacing and color. And let's give these things, I'm going to select this thing and press color orange 100 and color orange 500. So visually nothing changes, but this is way better than the previous version. Next up, I'm going to make a little audit for my button. What do I see? I see button, surface color, surface. I also see button label and button icon for now. So why not, instead of seeing color orange 100, why not give a name so that I can be able to change it in the future, but not under foundation. I want to create another collection called semantic. So press and let's reduce the size so that you can see what is going on. So I'm going to create for my button color. Color is going to be, again, color slash button slash surface. So in this case, let's link these things from my library. This is going to be 500. Great. Shift enter, and I'm going to create the label. Label is going to be 100, and same goes to icon. Now all I have to do is add these metrics to here. So instead of fill color orange 500, I want to call it color button surface. Great. And this one color. So in this case there are 2 elements, so I'm going to do one by one. This is going to be the label, button label, and this is going to be button icon. So you see, whenever I have this button selected, I can see that this is the icon color, surface color, and label color. And I'm going to do this for the other bits as well for the upcoming session. So stick around, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next one.